Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking all about some fall shoe trends, and I absolutely love fall fashion. I also love shoes, so this is just like the perfect combination of topics to be talking about. And I feel like the best way to do that was do a little unboxing and review of some fall shoes from Vivaia. If you have not heard of Vivaia, I have talked about them on my channel many times before. They are an incredible, sustainable footwear brand that has so many chic, cool little shoe styles. They're also wildly comfortable, like super comfortable. But before I get into the full unboxing review, fall fashion trends, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. And yeah, let's jump into the haul. Alright, so it wouldn't be fall fashion trends without talking about some fall boots. So I've got some cute little fall booties to show you guys. And the first one, I'll just grab out of the box. Here is the cute little box that it came in from Vivaia, and this is made of all recycled materials. Step into conscious comfort is the little tagline there, and we'll go ahead and open it up. You can see it has little branded tissue paper, which is so nice. I feel like that just gives it a little luxurious experience when you're opening up these shoes. It has a little branded tissue paper, a little sticker, and then I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the first fall trend that I'm going to be talking about is leopard print, and you've probably been hearing this on the streets all about, but the little animal leopard print is back for fall. Let me show you guys both shoes and then we can talk about it a little bit more. All right, here we are, our two little leopard print boots, and these are in the style Amanda. These boots are so incredibly comfortable. So as you can see, I'll take out the little cardboard on the top, but this is a very soft knit material on the top of the boot and then all throughout the rest of it. So there really is so much comfort just in the actual design of the boot as well, not just the fabric. Well, the fabric is obviously very soft as well. This boot, it is breathable, it is eco-friendly, it has arch support, it is so comfortable. It also has what they call a V Pro walk sole, which means there are 5 different elements in the sole of the shoes to give maximum comfort, maximum support, and you really can wear these all day long and not worry about your feet hurting. I do have these boots already in another color, and like, spoiler, they are so comfortable. I wore them all the time last fall. I wore them as like workwear shoes to also wear to the office where I'm walking around. I'm up and about all day. But yeah, these are so incredibly comfortable and do have so many elements that make them very supportive for your foot to wear all day long. Even though they do have a little heel to them, the block heel makes it a lot more comfortable as a wearable heel for your wardrobe, for your shoes. But yeah, so when it comes to comfort and style, literally 10 out of 10, but like maybe 11 out of 10 on comfort. These are incredible. So that is on that. And the actual style though of the boots, so this leopard print is a huge trend coming in this fall. I feel like though leopard print more in your accessories and less as a full-blown leopard outfit is probably the best way to style this. I think coming in and out of trend, animal prints tend to be safer in accessories, I feel like, than really committing to like full leopard print pants or like a full leopard print top. So having accessories like your shoes, like your boots, is a great way to really incorporate the trend but not have it be too loud in your face. And I think these are so beautiful. I love the color of them. The brown is just like rich chocolatey brown that it just screams fall time. It is so pretty. I also like the size of this print. I think it is really nice, a little bit bigger in the size as opposed to like a smaller dainty leopard print. I think that just looks really nice with the colors and just the style of the boot in general. And a bonus with this style, they are water repellent, so if you live in a rainy spot splashy, watery climate for the fall, these are definitely a great option for you. But yeah, again, super, super comfortable, very flexible, has all that sole arch support, and a super on-trend style. So fall trend number 1 for your shoes, a cute little leopard print boot. All right, and then next up we've got another style to dive into. This might get a little repetitive, but we got the same beautiful little box, and then on the inside, the same little nice wrapping paper. And so for this second fall shoe trend, this is a little bit more funky of a style, which I absolutely love, and I'll just show you guys. So here is our second pair of shoes to talk about. So let me grab the second one and we can get a full look. All right, here they are together as a little pair, and these shoes are so cute and fun and funky, and I absolutely love them for fall time. I think the biggest trend that this is leaning into for your fall footwear is obviously the color, the beige, the neutral. I think that is such a classic trend for your fall wardrobe. Also with this little bit of like a chunkier heel, I think that is also really fun and very much playing up a fall trend. You can wear these and style these so many different ways. Honestly, these can lean a little athletic, athleisure wear, so wearing it with some leggings, or you can wear it with more jeans and more casual looks. So these are the urban boot style, and it's similar to the last pair. They are also water repellent, have that feature, and then they're also super, super soft. I'll go ahead and take out this cardboard in them. You can see these are so soft and flexible, and look at the heel on this. I don't even know if you'll be able to see inside the shoe, but look at all of that cushion and support. It makes them so, so comfortable, and I feel like this is very much a high rub area where I can tend to get blisters on my heels when I try on shoes the first time, but not with Vivaia Footwear. They are so incredibly comfortable and have such chic designs and ways to make their shoes even more comfortable. These also have a fun feature where they are hands-free slip-on, so if you're on the go, running out the door quick, you can just quickly slip these on, not even have to worry about bending down, fixing buckles, tying laces. Super, super easy on the go. And yeah, these shoes are also pretty lightweight. I feel like the look of them, they look kind of heavy, but they're actually very lightweight and comfortable, breathable, all that good stuff. And yeah, just leaning into this fall trend, having the more tan, the more beige and neutral colors is something that is so, so on trend, and just also not even particularly super trendy, but just like a classic staple for fall fashion is going to be a tan beige shoe, and I think this is perfect. Again, the style is a little bit more funky where it has kind of this thicker bottom layer. But yeah, overall these boots are so chic, so cool, and definitely lean into that fall trend of having a nice beige neutral boot. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. So our next boot and fall trend is going to be in this box. Let's just go ahead and open it up. And here we are. So let me grab the second little boot out here. All right, so here is our third pair of boots, and this is again this style Amanda. So same as the first pair, so it has all of those incredible features: water repellent, breathable, arch support, V-Pro, walk sole, all those great things. It's super, super comfortable, super lightweight, breathable, water repellent, and super stylish. So what more could you ask for in a boot? But no, these are super, super cute, and the trend I really wanted to call out here is the gray tones. And I feel like gray is so slept on for neutrals. It really is though such a nice neutral color and goes well with a lot of fall trends. So I feel like the gray and the black and the whites like is perfect. Such a great trend, but gray also goes really well with jean color, and I think that is a great way to style these boots particularly. I feel like having the gray shoes, denim, maybe a white or black top, it's just a nice way to style it and still have some neutrals, but also a little bit of fun with your neutrals, I guess, like a little bit of a different neutral, and this gray is perfect. It also transitions really well into winter, where I feel like the cool tone colors really come out more. But yeah, don't sleep on gray for your fall fashion. It is super, super cute and a great way to add a little pop of some other neutral in your outfits. And yeah, this style is so pretty. So it is that same Amanda boot with the little block heel and more of the round toe and the very soft top. So you can see super stretchy, super soft, and just really, really great quality. And so like I mentioned on the other pair of Amanda booties, these do have that V Pro xoxo, and it has 5 different elements that make it literally the most comfortable boot ever. So it has a honeycomb cushioned insole. It also has a dual density midsole. It has a flexible and anti-slip outer sole, which you can see definitely not slipping in these boots. You also have 2 times arch support. You also have this little cat paw forefoot cushion, and lastly it does have this thicker block heel style, and all of those together make it a V Pro xoxo and make it so much more comfortable than literally any other boot on the market. But yeah, these are super comfortable. You can wear them all day long. Your feet are not gonna hurt. They're gonna stay warm. They're gonna stay dry. You're not gonna slip in them, and you're gonna look really fashionable and really stylish as you're wearing them as well. So super, super fun style. Again, definitely do not sleep on the gray. I think it is such a nice color combo for your fall wardrobe, and something that actually I feel like not a lot of people will be doing, so you'll stand out. You'll stand out just a little bit more. But yeah, so as a fall trend, these ones are super, super cute, super slept on as a color, and I highly recommend getting yourself a pair of some gray booties for your fall wardrobe. Alright, and then our last fall shoe trend is actually not a pair of boots, and actually might be a pair of shoes that I already took out of the box and tried on because I was so excited for them to come. So here they are. These are the Mary Jane style of flats, and they are so cute, so chic, and you have probably seen this trend all over the internet. This is such a fun, trendy piece. Also though, very timeless. Like, this is definitely a big trend right now, but honestly a very timeless, beautiful style. So these are the Margot Mary Jane style, and like the boots, they have all of those great qualities. They are breathable, they have arch support, they're super flexible and soft. You can see the material on this is so soft and cushiony. This is great. They are such comfortable shoes. The heel in the back also has a little bit of extra cushion to it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just makes it so comfortable. The strap is also really nice and soft. I feel like these straps sometimes can be like annoying or bothersome, but honestly this one is so soft and comfortable. It's also a legit strap, like it's not just there for looks. Like, you can really unstrap it and rehook it actually wherever you want, because this style is completely knit on the top of the shoe. Let me show you guys. Let me see if you guys can see this. Because this is literally completely knit on the top of the shoe, you really can poke this through anywhere, and you can have actually the most perfect fit ever. So yeah, that is a great little style design there, but here they are together. They are so pretty and such a classic fun style. I love the front of a Mary Jane, where it's not super pointed, not super rounded. It's just a nice little mix in between, and I think it's super flattering on your foot. And these shoes, I feel like they just style themselves. There are so many different ways you can style a Mary Jane. They look good with short skirts, long skirts, denim, jeans, shorts, pants, work pants, like all of the different styles you can find for a Mary Jane to just slot into that outfit and look great. But yeah, so these are such a nice pair of shoes. They are so comfortable, so soft, such great quality. Also, again, very eco-friendly. These are all made of literal recycled water bottles, which is crazy and amazing and great for the environment too. So if you want to help the environment and look chic doing it, definitely check these ones out. But yeah, a Mary Jane for fall is just going to be so classic, so chic, and on trend. I feel like honestly the Mary Jane style has been very popular throughout summer, so it really is just following it into fall. There is going to be so much more use of your Mary Janes. But yeah, so that's kind of fall shoe trend number 4. A little classic pair of Mary Janes. Alright, so that was me walking you guys through some fall footwear trends for 2024. As I was saying, all of these items are from Vivaia, so if you want to check them out, if you want to shop, definitely check my links in the description. I'll be sure to link all of the shoes I talked about and tried on today. Again, all of these styles are so chic and perfect for fall time. You got the leopard print, you got your neutral beige, you got your neutral gray, you got your Mary Janes. So there are just so many great options on their website. They also have these shoes in a lot of different colors, a couple different styles, and I just really want to emphasize how comfortable these shoes are. They are so comfortable, so soft, so flexible. Some have those water resistant elements to it, so just a really nice quality pair of shoes for this season. And yeah, be sure to leave a comment down below which style is your favorite, which one did you like the best. I also will be adding a discount code for you guys, so definitely check it out down there when you shop, save some money. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this style video, little review try on talking about some fashion trends. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.